Quick video on bandsaw boards, what I've been doing lately. I haven't uploaded much recently, so I just wanted to make a video real quick. Taking some pieces of wood, this hedge. Just taking some wood and turning it into stuff, turning it into dust, doing all kinds of stuff. On these, I'm not really even sure what I'm doing, and that's half the fun of it for me. And then where do I go from here? I don't even know. It's not easy though. As you can see, I marked some lines to keep stuff lined up. But getting these pieces into the clamps and then taking my strips and putting them in between and clamping it together and gluing it together and trying to keep everything lined up is kind of challenging. It ain't easy. And then getting an actual good glue up, good glue lines, doesn't always happen. But you know what? Just keep going. You'll figure it out one way or another. You'll fix it. Or it's just gonna be a piece for grandma. Peace.